Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a free food haul and Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started first with all the free stuff. I did get 2 boxes of these macaroni and cheeses in the green box. I heard they were really disgusting. I don't eat these. I always get them away. So I ended up getting 2 boxes of these. But like I said, I'll just give them away. So all the stuff was free, guys. Free. I got this can right here of sweet peas, green peas. I also got for free some chicken and rice soup. I have a whole bunch of those already. Got some Skippy peanut butter. I got some squirt, squeezable grape jelly. Got some kind of knockoff of some kind of spaghetti, like SpaghettiOs, whatever. And then I also got this can of peaches, sliced peaches, which are good to have. You can make a lot of desserts and stuff with that. And then I got some sliced carrots, good for pot pie soups and stuff like that. Then I got some chicken with rice again soup. Got some spaghetti sauce in the can. I have like a couple hundred of those in my stash. Then I got some black beans. Then I got some more green peas. Got for free. All this stuff was free, guys. I got a whole bunch of Slim Jims. I always get those. Then I got this really big, this gigantic big thing of strawberry lemonade organic juice. So that was nice. And then I got more Slim Jims. I got some shelf-stable milk, 1%. Got some more grape jelly, squeezable in the tube. Then I got a whole bunch of spaghettis. I got 2 of those. I got a whole bunch of tasty cakes from the Tasty Cake Company. I got a whole bunch of coconut, the coconut tasty cakes. Got a whole bunch of those. Maybe like 3 or 4. I think I got 3. And then I got this for free. I got these little tasty cake, I don't know if they're chocolate mint or just chocolate peanut butter or just chocolate by itself. Those little snack cakes, whatever you want to call them. Got another can of peaches. Then I got 2 bags right here of bran mix, like bran flakes. It's really, really good. So I took them out of the box because I'm going to put them in like a cereal container. So I got 2 big things of cereal. I got some more black beans. Then I got a whole bunch of white chicken meat in the can. I believe I got 4 cans. I got those 2 and then these 2. Yeah, so this is chicken. Then I got another peanut butter, another Skippy peanut butter. Then I got this for free. I got some more carrots. I got some more spaghetti in the can. Got some more tomato soup in a can. I mean, not tomato soup, tomato sauce. And now for Dollar Tree. For the Dollar Tree, nothing special, guys. I picked up 5 bottles of the Diet Pepsis. I always grab a lot when I see them. So I got some Diet Pepsis. So I got 5 bottles at the Dollar Tree. Nothing special. I'm just going to throw them in the refrigerator to get cold. And then I got 2 things of Reese's Cups here for other days. And then the last 2 items I picked up at the Dollar Tree were 2 movies. I got this movie here. Whoops. This is a Blu-ray. It's called Help, I Shrunk My Teacher. And it looks like a funny comedy with some kids. And it looked interesting. Got that at the Dollar Tree. And then I found this cute one. Oops, it's upside down. It's called The Dog Days of Summer. And you get a whole bunch of dog films. All kinds of funny movies about the dogs. So, yeah, my son said maybe like 2 or 3 of these movies we have and the rest we don't. So I thought that was a cute collection of dog movies for a buck. So that's all I picked up, guys. That's all I got at Dollar Tree. and the other stuff was free. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more soon. Again, as always, like I always say, have a good day and be safe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.